third night in a row I've heard this sound. Pulled over just to hear it. Wow. Fucking scary movie. Damn. Sounds like it's right in those woods over there. Wow. What the fuck? Oh my god. That is some scary shit. Sounds like they're about to launch a fucking alien spaceship. Oh my god. Wow. Damn. Is that it?